Hey, this is Elisa with WTI. Something my mom would always tell me is to never go to bed with my makeup on. Honestly, sometimes it would be hard, but having these white makeup removers have made it so much easier. Purete Thermal Makeup Remover Wipes from Vichy have been so practical. I like that the package has 25, so it lasts for almost a month. This 3-in-1 makeup remover are perfect. I love this size because it's just what you need. These have micellar water, which helps soak up the dirt and the oil, and the vitamin E leaves your skin very soft. These are very sensitive to your skin. I have super delicate skin. I normally get rashes, but as you can see, I'm not getting any red spots or no rash either. This is perfect if you're not wanting to put any water, cleanser, or rinsing. This removes all the impurities and all the makeup, even the waterproof one. This is great when traveling or before going to the gym. I've been loving them. So if you want to feel your skin clean and hydrated without using any water or cleanser, then I definitely recommend these, but that's just my point of view.